Dimba Construction and Projects is a painting and waterproofing company. We run our business within Gauteng, mostly in the Midrand, Pretoria, Sandton and Limpopo Park area. In the business, there is myself, my father and my sister. We run it as partners. My father is more operational, more on site, and also liaises with clients. My sister, who is a qualified safety officer, is the one that's taking care of all the compliance within the business. And then there's me that does the strategic side of the business as well as marketing the business. The company came about as we had failed previously from a different company that we're actually running before 2017. And then we decided, okay, let's give it a try. And then we incorporated Dimba Construction and Projects. The first business, my father was actually running it with his other business partner. We came in straight from high school and he mentored us into construction that way. And when we started Dimba Construction at the time, they had stopped that business. So we were kind of like out of jobs, we were out of high school, and then Dimba came about. In 2019, we heard about the Attacq program with the property point, and then we decided let us apply. And we were confirmed just before COVID. So at the time it looked really bleak on how is it still necessary for us to run this job? Is it still necessary for us to be in this company? And at the time we couldn't pay our employees. It was a very, very difficult time. But thereafter we were in the program and the sites started opening up. And in that way we were able to learn things on how to properly manage the business, how to make it more professional, how to move it into a direction where it is a formal, real business. We are getting very far. This is our 6th year in business. So we have 30 employees and we are fully compliant and equipped to run any project, however big the project is. As such, we have run a project here in the Waterfall City, which was a big start for us. It was very difficult of a project and we were able to run it to completion. We believe in resilience because when we look at Dimba, we know that this is what is going to be there for all our siblings and maybe their children and grandchildren. It's a company that we plan to see through, that in 20 years, there's still a company named Dimba.